Because if I say to you, somebody who is sitting with so much, but yet don't know they have it, they are lost. So why I'm saying interpretations matter, because the interpretation of somebody who is at home but yet don't eat from what he has been given already or what he have, but yet telling the other one who is lost, because by the time the guy went up in the pigsty or eat with the pigs, so by the time he ate with the pigs, he realized, but this is not my portion to eat with pigs. I rather go back home. So how do somebody who is lost still know where his house is? That to me is not lost. But somebody who is at home don't know